Hello and welcome to the brief video introduction to Alkym Management and Control System for Aircraft Maintenance. Seabury Enterprise Solutions was established in 2002 and it was chartered to provide a robust experience for IT advisory and development of cutting-edge software for the airline industry. Seabury MRO Solutions is part of the division Seabury Enterprise Solutions. The company has the capabilities as part of the Seabury Group for IT strategy and advisory, project management, custom software development, software and hardware evaluation procurement, cost containment, and of course business area expertise in the areas outlined below. The product suite includes EPAS, which is an enterprise performance analysis system, including subsystems for maintenance performance and revenue management. CPAS is a contract performance analysis tool, and EFOS, Sophia and eAuthority are the regulatory-based software. With Alkym, the MRO IT solution, it's a comprehensive, full-function, integrated, cost-effective solution. And this is where we're going to concentrate on the video today. The Seabury Enterprise Solution clients include 4 of the big 5 in the US. Seabury MRO Solutions with Alkym have over 60 clients across 30 different countries over the last decade. We also have regulatory authorities using the other solutions. So welcome to Alkym. Logging on to the system, you can see how there are many multiple modules available. Countries. It's an integrated, cost-effective solution. Modules available within Alkym currently stand at engineering, planning, maintenance control, reliability, workshop, purchasing and repair, inventory, receiving and shipping, technical publications, quality assurance, human resources, safety management system, sales, production planning management or MRO, and a system configuration. We also have explorers to view the data in the most productive manner for each of the processes. These include the Aircraft Structure Explorer, the Assembly Structure Explorer, Goods Inward Inspection, Location Details. Then there are 4 M-Files vaults, 1 for quality documents, 1 for technical records archive, 1 for technical publications, and finally an SMS M-Files Explorer. There's a non-routine workflow for third-party maintenance input. There's a notification center so that each person can view the notifications that are applicable to their particular function. There's the Open Deferred Defects Explorer. For QA, we have both the audits and the KPIs. There's a slot manager for base maintenance. Then we have 2 explorers for SMS, both the SMS details and the end user explorer. We have technical defect classification used for reliability analysis. And for planning purposes, there's the Work Exploration Explorer, the Work Package Explorer, and finally we have a dashboard to monitor the progress of every work order or work scope being carried out within the system. Within Alkym, I'm currently within the Human Resources module, but I can move seamlessly from planning to engineering or to any of the explorers that I need to through my switch view screen, my switch window screen, and I can have multiple screens open at a single time. Across the top of Alkym, we have the tabs and the ribbons, all customizable by each end user. We also have our panels and buttons, again customizable by each operator of Alkym. The center section has the tree view, allowing you to cater for your multiple aircraft types and workshops. And finally, you have your details screen. Within your details screen, you can see the Alkym windows, and in these check packs, if I open this A check by either right clicking or double clicking, it brings me in to the Alkym view screens. So here is a typical Alkym screen, and in this case it's a check pack. I have my tabs that are applicable to each of the appropriate screens, including the ability to build multiple hierarchical structures within Alkym, and this you can see through the magnifying glass or loop button. You can create and follow each item down to the point it needs to be created or viewed from. Within this, we have the ability to track all of the labor and material requirements for each individual task, and of course this can further be enhanced when you're looking at the performance of a check or a combination of tasks and check packs. You have the ability to, through your additional functions button, you will be able to check and see the material availability and have seamless integration to your logistics functions. Once again, this is just a brief introduction to Alkym to see if it would pique your interest. So I'm just going to finish the short video presentation by entering into an aircraft within Alkym, and here you can see we have an A320 with the general information, the status of that aircraft, whether or not it's leased, who the owner is, who the operator is, the configuration including the weight and seating configuration, the forecast, what maintenance program it's connected to, if you have any preservation periods put on this aircraft, the existing certificates, the flight logs, any images, the locations within this, and within the locations you have the ability to configure exactly what is fitted on each aircraft at serial number 11. With this, combined with the ability to create your aircraft template, and the aircraft type template allows you to configure exactly what parts should be fitted to each aircraft. You can see how you can synchronize between the aircraft type and the individual serial number, and this allows us to view the actual structure of each aircraft, noting what is fitted, when it was fitted, how many are completed, how many are incomplete assemblies, how many are required, and any optional parts. So for example, we can see here where we have 3 pitot tubes fitted, are required to be fitted, 2 have been fitted, 1 is the standard master part number, 1 is a fully interchangeable part number as indicated by hovering over it, and the final center pitot tube is missing. To actually install a component, you must first select the component that can be fitted. The system knows which are available, serviceable and compatible with this aircraft. A drag and drop will allow you to install the component and automatically open the component component installation removal tag, filling out the various fields including who installed it, what date, time, work order, work record, and if there were any removal components. This allows you to process the tag, and the component is fitted to the aircraft, showing the assembly now in place. We also have the ability to look at multi-structural assemblies, whether it be your APU or your engine. You can break down and view the lower components, including subsections, sub-assemblies and sub-sub-assemblies. In fact, there are no limits to the level that you can drop it to. All the while, we have built-in reporting, editable, customizable. We have queries and reports allowing you to access your data at any point in the system, allowing you to see what exactly is happening with your aircraft, with your data and with your systems, not just from an engineering and planning perspective. Also remember all of the logistics features, all of the QA, human resources, safety management, and once more we have the full MRO production planning management. Through this module you can see your resource scheduling, your MRO reports. Through the resource management you can create and build your shift patterns. Through your shift patterns you can monitor what resources are available, what bays they're working in, and the shift times that they should be working with. This allows you to map your complete production resource planning in a single screen. Of course, this is mapped also with the commercial documents, allowing you to have both your contract management down for each individual customer and each individual project for each individual customer, because no two projects are ever the same. I'd like to thank you for looking at this very short introduction video. Further information is available by simply leaving your details on our website, where our representative in your region will be in contact to organize either a full live online demo, a visit, or simply to provide you with further information regarding functionality and pricing. Thank you.